Are you looking for the best air conditioners? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best air conditioners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Windmill AC Modern Air Conditioner. I recently moved to the Northeast and found myself in desperate need of a window unit. I researched all the best of lists I could find, where Windmill seemed to feature but couldn't make the leap. But then, one night when I was awake at 2 a.m. sweating and uncomfortable, I bought this unit because it was relatively affordable, in stock, well-reviewed, and I could get it in 2 days. I love this unit. I have a 600 sq-ft apartment and one unit keeps the whole place a comfortable temperature, despite it only guaranteeing to cool 350. It saved my sanity. One of the coolest, LOL see what I did there, features to me is the app, so I can't control it from outside my apartment and it's cool when I get home. Less vital but still a great feature. As far as window units go, it's the most aesthetically pleasing one I've ever seen. I'll be keeping it up all year, which brings me to my one downside. I imagine this AC is easy to install compared to other ones, but as it was my first one, I struggled some. If this is easy, I don't know what a pain others are. It's also probably partially to do with my windows, which are a bit cattywampus. If you need a window unit and are on the fence, I highly recommend this one. It's effective, pretty, and high-tech. I couldn't be happier with my purchase. Number 2. Whynter Portable Air Conditioner. I live in Seattle, and the weather has been shockingly warm lately, upwards of 90 degrees. I live in a 4th floor apartment and have a casement window, which means I can't get much air to flow in or out of the apartment. I got this AC last week and it cooled my entire apartment, all 580 square feet, including the bedroom and bathroom. Of course the spaces further from the AC are hotter, but only by 2 to 3 degrees. It also dehumidifies well, though my apartment wasn't super humid. I haven't used any of the timing features because I leave it on all the time, so I can't comment about those. The AC is easy to use, and the remote is just as obvious. I also don't know how much my electric bill will be this month, but to be honest, I don't care. Smiley face. Do note, the box is heavy. It ships at about 100 pounds. However, cleverly enough, they pack it so you can slip all the boxes off the top of the AC, so you do not need to flip it over / turn it on its side. Just open all the boxes and start sliding them off the top after you remove the pieces in the top. It also has wheels, so once you slip off the boxes, you can just roll it off the bottom box piece. To summarize, this AC is awesome. If your apartment / room is stuffy, humid, and/or hot, this AC does an amazing job of cooling it quickly and keeping it consistently cool throughout the day, no matter temperature changes. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. We have a 2-bedroom second-story apartment. During the summer months the sun bakes the back, living room, and bedroom walls from noon until sunset. This thing is amazing. We close the blinds and crank this thing pointing at the ceiling fan to move cool air around the whole apartment and it works wonders. It's a little noisy, but given the level of cooling it's 100% worth it. Also not so noisy that we can't turn the TV up a bit for shows / video games. Would definitely recommend. An absolute must for hot summer days. It's been 4 years since I've purchased this portable AC unit. I've been using it every day. When it's not summer I simply use the built-in fan for airflow when I'm working and white noise when I'm sleeping. When it's blazing hot during summer I have the unit blasting cool air in my home office while I'm working. This is an absolute must-buy if you're looking for some AC relief without breaking the bank. I will without a doubt buy a brand new one the moment this thing breaks down on me, but it's been going strong for 4 years now and I still can't see it breaking anytime soon. Number 4. Midea 8000 BTU U-shaped Smart Inverter Air Conditioner. We live in a small duplex apartment, 2 BR, 1 BA. Unit arrived as promised, on time, and scathed. Install was simple. Quiet, quiet, quiet. Unbelievably quiet. We've owned several different window AC units and this one is by far the best. Cools really well. Quiet as a church mouse. Because the motor is on the outside and the head unit is on the inside of the house, separated by your window, that adds to the quietness of this unit. Once it's installed, you can open the window all the way if you need to. If Midea continues to make these units as well as this one, we'll never buy anything else. The outside portion is much smaller than what we're used to, and because of that we're going to leave it in year-round with a good cover for the winter. We love this air conditioner and we give it our highest possible recommendation. Fabulous. Number 5. Midea 5000 BTU EasyCool Small Window Air Conditioner. I live on the 6th floor of a very stuffy and relatively old apartment building in the city, so it gets quite hot in the summer, but this AC was a game changer. Super easy to install and very effective. To be honest, I haven't had many AC units, so I can't say a lot about the noise level in comparison to other models, but I did not find it overly loud or bothersome. Zero regrets buying this product. Number 6. 3-in-1 portable air conditioner with built-in dehumidifier function. I spent months reading reviews on portable ACs before finally hitting the purchase button. This unit was neck and neck with another unit. There's no unit out there with 5-star reviews, so it just came down to what I thought was the best and paying attention to consistencies in other reviews. The unit arrived safe and sound and was extremely easy to install. Almost too easy. I do recommend getting window strips to help seal around where the hose goes out the window. My apartment is pretty small, 630 square feet, and becomes a sauna due to poor insulation and no protection from the sun. We've had a few 80-degree days here already, so I was excited to put this unit to the test, and I have been pleasantly pleased. I can feel the cool air right away when I turn it on, and while it doesn't get my apartment down below 80, it feels great. I can actually sit comfortably and not feel like I'm sweating just blinking my eyes. So thankful for this unit. My heat box has now turned into a comfortable apartment. As far as electricity, it has not done anything significant to my electric bill. Of course, I don't leave it running 24/7. And, thankfully, as mentioned before, the heat waves around here aren't too prolonged. All in all, I am very pleased with this purchase and would highly recommend to anyone who is looking for a portable AC unit or at least some type of AC that is more affordable than the alternative. Number 7. Midea 10,000 BTU ASHRAE Portable Air Conditioner. I live in San Diego, where it's perpetually at least 75% humidity. It's not the East Coast, but it's pretty humid. My complex doesn't have AC, which on normal days is tolerable, but during the summer anything over 80 degrees or so outside, it's miserable to sleep in even with a fan. I wake up every night drenched in sweat since I keep the window open, since it does cool down, but that humidity is just sticky. Anyway, this AC has been a life-changing miracle for me. I sleep like a rock through the night now. My bedroom is on the smaller side, but it works incredibly, and I was able to get the seal perfectly on my window even though it opens vertically instead of horizontally. Not to mention it's a single-pane window and my room still stays icy. I love it. Personally, haven't used the app or remote because I go to school online, so I'm always here. Buy this thing.